In this video, we'll be installing Cuda. Let's search up Cuda archive. Click on the first link. PyTorch only runs with certain versions of Cuda. I'll be using the newest one that it's available for, which would be 11.6. So I'll just get 11.6.2. Just Windows 11 and local, and download it. Once it's done, run it. Okay, this is the install path. Press OK. Okay, click next. I'm not gonna do these two things. Close it. And that should be everything in your Cuda installation. See you in the next video where we install PyTorch.